Hi, I'm Bill Dorian from Bruin Remodeling Group. Today I'm going to talk to you about entry doors, mainly the differences between steel and fiberglass entry doors. I'll talk to you a little bit about the features and benefits of both. What I have here is a couple of cross sections of the three different types of doors that we offer here through Provia. We have our Legacy Steel door, we have our Heritage Fiberglass door, as well as our Signet Fiberglass door. These are what you would consider your good, better, and best. All right, let's talk about the Legacy Steel door. First thing that you'll notice with the door, that it's fully injected with a liquid injected polyurethane foam. This is what gives it your thermal insulation factor to it, and they liquid inject it so that it fills in all the cavities so you don't have any voids in there. One of the big features about the steel door that Provia uses, that your industry standard for a steel door, is that they're going to use 26 gauge steel, and as you can see, that's a little bit flexible and can move around a bit. Provia, as a standard, use a 20 gauge steel, which is far more durable, as well as what they do to prevent anything from rust and stuff like that too, is that they galvanize both the inside and the outside of the steel. Commonly in the industry, they will treat the exterior of the door to try to help that, but nothing is done from the inside. And when you do have rusting and things like that, it commonly starts from the inside and works its way out. Right. Here's a Provia steel door. This is their Legacy steel door. It's available also in smooth finish as well as a wood grain finish. You can get it in 33 different colors that you like, as well as custom painted if you wanted to for an additional upcharge. And they also offer it again with the oak wood grain, which has 7 different types of stains that you can put with that. All right, here I have a cross section of the Heritage Fiberglass door. First thing we can talk about is the fact that it has a nice hardwood edge. It's made with a kiln dried oak on the edge. They use a kiln dried oak because that removes the moisture from the wood, which leaves it with only 6 to 8% moisture in the wood, which reduces any type of thermal bowing that you'll run into with the door. Common issue with fiberglass doors in the industry is that they do suffer from thermal bowing. This is because a lot of manufacturers will use a soft wood on the edge like a pine, which over time with heat and cold will start to warp and bend, and this is what causes your door not to close properly. One of the great features about having a fiberglass door is that you can do a lot of embossing with the fiberglass door. You can bend it a lot more than steel can. So you can get much more detail in your embossing on the door. This particular door also comes in 2 different ways. You can get it in a smooth fiberglass, or you can also have it in a wood grain finish. The wood grain finish comes in an oak grain, which is available in 7 different types of stains. And on the smooth side, you can actually get this painted. There are 33 different options for colors, as well as if you have your own particular custom color you want to have on there, you can have that done to the door as well, at a little added feature. The fiberglass door also has liquid injected polyurethane foam. This is what gives it your thermal efficiency, helps keep the cold outside the door. This door we have here is our Heritage Fiberglass door. This is our most commonly sold door. Most people put this in their home. It can be available for you in a smooth finish, which can be painted, or you can also have it in a wood grain, which comes in an oak grain finish, which can be used with 7 different stains, as well as multiple color offerings as well too. This is our premium door with Provia. This is the Signet door. Right off the bat, one of the things that you can quickly notice about this door is that it has a nice thick hardwood through the entire edge of the style of the door. This is what's going to run around the edge. This is where your lock set and everything is going to be drilled through. Another feature of the Signet door is that it actually has a little bit thicker skin on the fiberglass, which allows for a bit more detailing when we do the embossing on the door. It gives you some square edges, much better wood grain look to the texture of the wood. The Signet door is also available in a smooth finish if you'd like as well too. And a great feature about the Signet is that you could have one side of your door be smooth and have the other side of the door be a wood grain. So for instance, on the inside of your house you have a real wood look and you want to keep that up, you can have a wood grain on the inside, and then on the exterior you can have it in a smooth and have that painted the color that you like. Signet comes in 5 different types of wood grains, which are available with 7 different stains for each type of wood grain. So you could have it in fir, cherry, mahogany, oak, or even knotty alder. It comes available also with the 33 different colors that Provia provides. And again, you can also get this one done with a custom color. This door I have here is the Provia Signet fiberglass door. This is their premium fiberglass door. One of the things about it is that they use what they refer to as 4th generation fiberglass technology. This allows them to get a much more realistic wood look to the fiberglass than you can see with other manufacturers out there. This particular door we're looking at is in a mahogany finish. So that means what the wood grain is a mahogany wood grain, so it looks exactly like that. They even make it so that the style on the end of the door is made with mahogany wood as well, so everything matches and it looks exactly like a wood door. If you can see on this side here, we actually have it with the cherry wood on there. So it's a different wood grain there, but you can also get it in multiple stains. So if you like a different color, but you want a different wood grain, you can use this particular door. One of the great things about this though, when you look on the side, is you do see that it has a seamless technology. You don't tell any different screens, it looks exactly like wood. Here we have an example of our Signet door with the fir fiberglass wood grain, but this one has a glazing on it. So as you can see, it's not fully painted, still allows you to see the texture of the wood throughout it, but it gives it a nice color inside the room. Another good feature that Provia offers is that you can also get your side lights to match the color of the door, as well as even the mullions that go between it. Everything can be matched exactly the same. All right, so one feature that we have available with every Provia door that you buy is this ZAC self-adjusting threshold. What it basically is designed for is when your door closes over it, it pushes down, but then when the door is closed, it seals back up, so you have the exact perfect seal, so no wind, air, or water, or anything that's coming through the bottom of your door. Another feature of all Provia doors that you buy is this 20-gauge steel jam liner protector. What it's designed is this goes inside the jam liner. It's designed to protect your door from being able to be broken into. The knob of the door, or the bolt of the door, actually goes into this hole, and this is embedded into the jamb of the door, so if someone would try to break in your door, push on the door, they wouldn't be able to get the jamb to break because this piece is inside there. As in most products that you buy in the industry, installation is the most important part of it. If you don't have it properly installed, it's never going to perform properly for you. One of the main reasons that we at Bruin choose to use Provia product versus other companies that are out there that sell doors is that Provia sells an entire door system. So when we're replacing your door, we're not just replacing the slab of the door, we're replacing the entire frame and everything that goes with it. Most companies that produce doors only make that particular slab. Then you have another company that's making the frame and the threshold, and everything has to be put together. At Provia, they make every component of the door. They're making the threshold, they're making the frame, and everything comes to us as one entire unit. So when we install that door, it's made to go in there perfectly square fit and airtight for you. All right, so in conclusion, there really isn't a bad choice that you can make as far as the door. The steel door, the Heritage Fiberglass, or the Signet Fiberglass door. They're all fantastic doors. It really depends upon what your needs are. If you're looking for something that's utilitarian and very sturdy, a steel door will be great for you. If you're looking for something that's going to give you good charm, long-lasting look on the front of the house, the Heritage Fiberglass is perfect for that. And again, if you're looking for that real wood look on your door and on the door, then I'd probably recommend that you go with the Signet Fiberglass door. Provia doors are manufactured in Ohio, out in the Amish country, and they come with one of the best warranties there are in the industry. When you purchase a Provia door, that particular door comes with a full lifetime warranty. So for your lifetime while you live in that home, every manufacturer defect, any manufacturer defect that happens during the time while you're there is covered by Provia. As a matter of fact, they feel so confident about the quality of their door. If you sell your home, they will actually warranty the quality of the manufacturing of that door for the next person's entire lifetime as well too. Also on the paint features, on a Legacy Steel and on the Heritage Fiberglass door, they actually warranty the paint on your door against blistering, cracking, splitting for 10 years. On the Signet door, they actually warranty that for 15 years. Hopefully that I was very helpful to you folks and giving you some information as to what you want to do. If you are interested in getting a new door in your home, please feel free to reach out to us at Bruin Remodeling Group. You can find us by calling us on the phone. You can go onto our website at bruincorp.net, or you can reach out to us and find us on any of the social media pages that are out there. Thanks.